This is the 2025 Jayco ALANTE 29S. As you can see, it's got a single slide all the way down the driver's side. As we look down underneath and pan back towards the front, you'll see it's got a compartment for a generator, a couple of storage compartments, access to your black and gray tank, some more storage at the back, roof ladder to access up top, along with a trailer hitch, connect the tow bar. Outside compartment in the back offers some cabinetry, a fridge, a sink with hot and cold running water, a drawer, and then you have a barbecue grill hookup as well. Outside in its own separate compartment, you have TV, a couple outdoor speakers, and more storage that runs all along the passenger side as well. When we step inside, this unit has solar. It also has a nice big large screen that's been added for 2025. That's for your rear backup cameras, your navigation, your radio. As you can see, it's got a very large viewing window. Self-leveling equalizer jack system. Up over top, nice overhead bunk. It's all electronic. Then as you swing around to the passenger side, you have a 4-person dinette. Drops down into a bed to sleep too. It does have car seat connectors for small children in car seats and 4 seat belts. Up over top of that, you'll see it has storage, a nice TV with a sound bar. And then on the flip side, you have theater seating along with more cabinetry up over top. A decent size kitchen sink, double sinks, single sinks, double cutting board. Good size counter with a propane oven and a 3-burner cooktop, as well as an overhead microwave. All your instrumentation panel here, along with your generator startup, your tank monitors, and your inverter. In your bathroom, you have a full stand-up shower, sink with a good countertop, overhead cabinetry, and your toilet, and a nice barn door for privacy. You have a similar barn door on the master bedroom, and a great size 12-volt fridge. This is a compressor fridge. It's not your standard propane electric fridge. This is very efficient, has great recovery time. Back into your bedroom, you've got a couple glass doors for stand-up armoire for hanging wardrobe, for the drawer underneath. You can see lots of drawers that come across the back here. And in here you can do hookups for a TV. Nice big bright rear window. More overhead cabinetry over top of your queen bed. 2 end tables with chargers and USB. This has dual air conditioners. Again, this is the Jayco 2025 ALANTE 29S. This is at a Wasco RV Center. If you'd like to make an appointment to come and see this, give me a call. My name's Mike Johnson, 647-915 3015.